Alert! Alert! A mysterious toy tornado has struck headquarters. The playroom is in total chaos with blocks flying everywhere and stuffed animals spinning through the air. The cute critter heroes spring into action. Raleigh the hedgehog curls into his super spiky ball and rolls around gathering scattered puzzle pieces. Digger, the bunny, uses her super digging powers to unbury toys from the mess mountain. Nimble, the kitten, activates her amazing agility to leap up high and rescue toys stuck on tall shelves. Working together, they stop the swirling tornado and restore perfect order. Mission complete. Teamwork saves Playtime again.